Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 8th, 2022. Welcome. We're going to talk about Mullen Automotive stock today, right? I know that this stock has garnered a lot of attention recently because of the short squeeze potential. Now, I'm going to try to answer the question today if that is still a possibility. Can we still see this stock short squeeze? Because I'm here to tell you, I got to keep it real to all of my subscribers, everyone who follow me on this platform, that it is becoming less and less likely. Now, before I talk about that, before I break down what I'm seeing into the market in Mullen, you appreciate my videos? You like what I'm doing? To actually see someone placing price predictions on a chart without charging you for it, without putting it behind a paywall? Go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. This is what I do. So take a look. I did a video in Mullen on March 31st, right? I did. Go back and listen to it. Go back and see it. It's still in the playlist right here. I was playing the strength into the market in Mullen stock right there, right? Now you guys can see what has been going on since then. The market hasn't been going up. We've been seeing the market in Mullen make lower highs, right? The last high we saw into the market in Mullen was right here on March 21st. The next lower high occurred here, March 31st, 10 days. And now the downtrend continues. So now let's take a look, right? We're just going to look at price bars of volume to see what the overall market participants of Mullen Automotive thinks, right? Because if they're still looking for price to go up, we should be able to tell it off of the price chart. You should be able to see it. So now, this day right here, with all of the volume that came through, with a very wide spread, we should have seen market continue to go up in Mullen, but it didn't. As a matter of fact, I told you that this line here, this horizontal line around $3.50, could be seen as restriction. We already knew that because back here, February of this year, the market got rejected there. It got rejected again here on March 21st, and it got rejected again on March 31st. Like, come on. That's why the price in Mullen is seeing that the potential short squeeze being reduced. The market keeps bumping its head at $3.50. It cannot go up. That's the problem right there. So until we see the buyers of Mullen stock take this market up above 350, we cannot expect to see a short squeeze or even price to go up. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. Okay. So now let's see this, because today's the last day of the week, and looking at this from a weekly perspective, it doesn't look particularly strong right now in Mullen. It doesn't. Look at that. That's not good. The next level for us to see the buyers potentially stand up price in Mullen is going to be at $2. $2. And if not that, we're going to come down and test this trend that I've created. These are the two total areas that we need to be on the lookout for the buyers to stand up price. They got to stand up and fight right here at $2.20, at $2, or alongside this ascending line. Because right now, Mullen is weak. We got 8 hours and 33 minutes left on this current 2-weekly price bar. Look at that. That doesn't look positively strong. It doesn't. I'm here to keep it real. I'm here to keep it a buck. If you guys don't like to hear that, then you need to go to one of the Hype Boy YouTube channels that's going to tell you that this market's going to hit $500. Because I don't do that here. I'm a realist. The market does not act that way. So yeah, I'm not potentially keen on seeing this short squeeze happen right now in Mullen. There's nothing here on this chart that is reflecting that a short squeeze is still on the table. Not right now. So what we need to do, okay, is if that's not going to happen, then we need to let this go, right? Why are you going to be emotional? Cut the play, 20% right there. If you wasn't able to nibble while price in Mullen was up around $3.45 to $3.50, then hey, play the markets. If the market is anticipated to continue to go lower, then you play that. There's nothing wrong with you following what the overall consensus is going to do. I don't think people realize how smart these individuals are who participate in the stock market. So if they're telling you that price is going to continue to dip and go lower, you need to follow it. Now, look at this. The one thing that I would say that will let me know that the potential short squeeze can still occur is by us seeing the market hold this. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm looking at it. This will be the last hope of us seeing the market in Mullen continue to explode and have the potential short squeeze back on the table. Right there, $2.20. Now, I've shown you the long term, the weekly, the 2-week time frame, and from those price charts, it doesn't look as if the market's going to be able to hold that 220. See, I'm trying to get ahead of the game. I'm trying to get ahead of the competition. But I also noticed that there's a slight chance, 25%, that the buyers can stand up price at 220 and continue to lift the market from there. I'm telling you that now. I can see that too. But I'm looking for Mullen to come down to like $2. Okay. That's the first spot. That's 16.32% movement to the downside. My second area is going to be here to like $1.80. That would take the price close to this trend. All right. So I'm going to extend this trend out a little bit further, because if the market buyers are not going to hold price at $2, then it's going to be alongside this trend that we want to see the market hold. All right. So it might go, the 3 price targets is $2, 180, no lower than 160. Now that's going to take the trend inside of our price target area. So you have to be on the lookout to see the buyers hold the trend there. Not necessarily come all the way down to 160, $1.60, but right alongside this trend is where we will need to see the buyers stand up price. Okay, and that's it. I'm done. Again, reiterate, price target $2, $1.80, $1.60, and again, there's a chance that buyers could stand up price at 220. If that happens, cut the play, run long. The market is speaking. But looking at this from that weekly perspective, 2 weeks time frame, it looks pretty hard right now. Okay. So that's it. I'm done. Real quick, let me know, what do you all think about the market in Mullen? Do you still think the short squeeze is on the table? What do you think? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.